Okay, so hi guys, so let's continue last session so about the number 3. Okay, so now let's proceed to linear algebra. Okay, let's have first a question. Okay, which of the following matrix is an identity matrix of order 2? Okay, so is it letter A, is it letter B, letter C, or letter D? Okay. Okay, so now let's check if we got the correct answer. The answer is letter A. Okay, so why? Because the identity matrix has ones on the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. Okay, no one. Okay, can you do not forget this one? Okay, identity matrix of order 2 is also 1 is on the diagonal and zeros elsewhere. Okay, so let's proceed for number 2. What is the determinant of the matrix? 2, 3, 4, element 1 and 4. Okay, so think of it. What is the determinant? Okay, from the word determinant of the matrix. What is the determinant of the matrix? Elements 2, 3, and elements 1, 4. Okay, okay, what is your answer? Okay, let's check. The answer is letter A. Okay, so why? Because the determinant is equal to the elements of 2. Okay, so 2 and 4. So 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3 times 1 is 3. So therefore, 8 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so diagonal only. 2. Okay, let's write it. So for example, this is the matrix uh, 2 and 4. Okay, and also this is our element 1 and sorry, there's no line there. 4. For example, this is 4. Okay, so 2. Okay, so 2 times 4 because we were cross multiply each elements. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. Then minus 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so 8 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so did you get it? Okay, now let's proceed to number 3. Okay, if matrix A is the dimensional is 3 by 2 and matrix B is a 2 by 4 dimension. What is the size of AB? Okay, so in question number 3, we will find dimensional, either 3 by 2, 2 by 4. Okay, so if we got 3 by 2 and 2 by 4, what is the size of AB? Okay, okay. What is your answer? Finalize your answer. Okay, so the answer is letter A. Okay, so inner dimension match 2. Okay, so result is 3 by 4. So how? Okay, let's take of it. Okay, so let's have 3 by 2. Okay, for example, 3 by 2. And also we have 2 and by 4. Okay, so 2 by 4. Now, since the inner is the same or have here the same 2 and 2, automatically we now get that the inner dimension match 2 since the inner dimension is same, so we get the first and the last dimension. Okay, so we got that 3 by 4. So our matrix or the size of AB natin is 3 by 4. Okay, now let's proceed to number 4. Which of the following is a scalar multiple of vector 2 and negative 1 or the element 2 and negative 1? Okay, so it's the scalar multiple. Okay. So if we get the scalar, we multiply. Okay. Of what? We multiply by. Okay. So finalize your answer. Okay. So the answer is letter A. So how do we get that 4 and negative 2? Simply mean the scalar multiple vector 2 and negative 1. We multiply the whole elements by 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. Also, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, did you get it? Okay, okay, now let's proceed number 5. What is the rank of a matrix? Okay, rank measures linear independence, right? Yes. Okay, so what is our answer there? What is the rank of a matrix? Okay, so now finalize your answer. Okay. So the answer is letter C. Okay. So sinabi ko kanina, rank of a matrix or a rank of a matrix is also rank measures linear independence. Okay. So letter C. Okay. Now let's proceed. Number 6. If two vectors are orthogonal, their dot product is okay. So let's have okay. Pinag-uusapan natin dito is orthogonal. Okay? Orthogonal, their dot product. Okay? Okay. Are you done? Okay, so let's check. Okay. So the answer is letter B. Okay. Orthogonal. Okay, so think of it, remember or take note. Orthogonal vectors have zero dot product. Okay? So either hindi siya undefined, okay? Hindi siya 1 or hindi siya negative 1. It's 0. Orthogonal vectors have zero dot product. Okay? Remember that. Number 7. What is the inverse of the identity matrix? What is the inverse of the identity matrix? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? Okay. Are you done? Okay. Now, what is the answer? It's letter B. Because the identity matrix, sinabi kasi dito is that, what is the inverse of identity matrix? Okay? So, andun na yung keyword mo. Okay? Sa identity matrix. So, sinasabi niya dito is yung inverse. So, yung inverse is I negative 1 ay 1 negative 1 is also 1. Okay? So 2 negative raised to yes, 1 negative ay 1 raised to negative 1 is also 1. Okay? So that is what we call identity matrix. Okay? Let's proceed. Number 8. A system of linear equation has no solution if okay. So a system of linear equation has no solution. If, paano? Okay, so letter E, letter B, is it letter C or letter D? Okay. Okay, time's up. So what is your answer? Okay, so the answer is letter C. It is inconsistent. Why? Because inconsistent systems have no solution. Okay? So it is inconsistent kasi wala siyang solution. If there is a solution, it is consistent. Okay? So don't forget that. If inconsistent has no solution and there is a solution, it is consistent. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's proceed to number 9. Okay, which operation preserves the determinant? Is it swapping? Is it multiplying a row by 0? Or letter C, adding a multiple of one row to another? Or letter D, scaling matrix by 2? Okay, preserves the determinant. So which operation daw? Okay, of determinant. Okay, are you done? Okay, now let's proceed. What let's check if we got the correct answer. Okay, so letter C. So row the operation reserved the determinant is the row addition. So does not change determinant. Okay, so adding a multiple of one row to another. Okay, now let's proceed to the last question. So I hope you got something or you have uh, may natutunan kayo. Okay, so now let's proceed to number 10. What is an eigenvalue? Okay, eigenvalue. Is it a scale or is it letter A? Is it letter B? Is it letter C or letter D? Okay. Okay, so what is our answer? Okay, now let's check. It's letter A. Okay, why? So eigenvalue satisfied also a big matrix AX is equal to yon, yung maat na letter A natin, X. Okay? So, eigenvalue is also satisfied our A, matrix A sa OX and our maat na letter A. Hindi ko alam yun eh. Sorry for that. I think this is delta X rather. Okay? So,